Hey YouTube, let's get into this headband wig. You want to achieve this look? Keep watching. Here's what you'll need. Okay, bye mannequin head. We're not going to be using this right now. Here I am starting off with my braids. You just want to take your elastic band, measure it around the perimeter of your head to where it fits perfect, not too loose or not too tight. Then you're going to take your needle and thread, sew those two end pieces together. You do want to make sure you're sewing this tight because you don't want it to come loose. And here's what it should look like. Next, we're going to take our two shower caps, put that on our head. I'm using two to protect my hair from the glue. If you want to do this on your mannequin head, you can, but to get a great fit, I decided to do it on my head. So once you've adjusted your shower cap and your wig cap to your liking, you're just going to take your elastic band and put that on your head just for a minute, just for guidance as to where you're going to stop when gluing your tracks down. You want to adjust it to how you want your headband to sit on your head. And you want to make sure it's not overlapping your ears. So where my fingers are is where you want to stop gluing your tracks. You can take a gray Sharpie or something to kind of mark it off if you have trouble remembering. I just eyeball it, so here I am placing my tracks on my wig cap. I do not measure any tracks. I just place it. It gets in where it fits in. If you want it to be perfect and cut it and measure, that is fine as well. but it'll all come together in the end. Just remember, you don't want too much hair behind your ear when placing your tracks on your wig cap, because it is where the wig cap will overlap the wig band. You can always go back and add more hair if you want, so I suggest just leaving a little space right there. So this is how it should look after you've glued all your tracks down onto the cap. It comes off easy. Now you just want to cut off the remaining pieces of the cap. You want to cut as close to that last track as you can possibly get, because you're going to be sewing that to the band. Once you've cut off the excess piece, you just want to take your wig cap and your elastic band, place them together on your dome head so we can begin sewing. This is what it should look like once it's placed onto your mannequin head. As you can see, here's what I meant by leaving a little space near your ears so you can see where we will be sewing. We're sewing ear to ear. That is the only piece of the band that will be attached onto the wig cap. And I'm sewing the track onto the band as well, as close as possible, tight as I can. I'm wrapping the string around the needle 3 times. This is the look you should get once you've sewn the elastic band onto the wig cap. Now we're going to try it on. If you want to add on your wig clips, which is optional, you can add them onto your wig cap, but I chose not to because the band is already secure and tight. Once your edges are done to your liking, I'm just taking another thin wig cap and putting it on just so my hair sits flat underneath the wig. This is optional. And then we're going to put on our wig. And this is how it looks without a headband or a scarf. But I am going to add a scarf. I'm using a edge scarf because they came in pretty colors at my beauty supply store. But any headband works. And here's the finished look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.